I have been going through materials and various MOOCs of financial modeling floating around the web. I ended up taking a few of them, both free and paid. The free one I took was Coursera by University of Pennsylvania. The paid one I took was the Wall Street School. I would like to give in a few notable pointers before you make a choice. Below are a few things that convinced me to choose the above two. 1. Ignore the industry expert model that any course provider uses in their advertisements. All the industry experts are busy doing their high-paying jobs until and unless they have their own stake in the course revenue. However, only the founders of Wall Street School have their own investment banking company, ARK Financial Services. You can visit their LinkedIn profiles if you wish to, Himanshu Jain and Manoj Goel. It actually makes sense for them to be industry experts since they're actually into it. 2. Most probably, it won't really matter the employers as to where have you done your certification from. They just know about popular sites such as Coursera or Udemy, but don't attach any predefined credibility to it. However, I have seen that Coursera has been recommended by many top B schools as a part of their syllabus, and thus, it might be the best free option to make your CV more catchy. 3. Don't just get carried away by terms such as complete course or comprehensive course. Do look into their course topics deeply and understand what all they have to offer. The above two were best in terms of completeness or comprehensiveness. You can take them as a benchmark to determine whether other courses are at par or not. I hope my answer could help narrow down your choices.